Paint not drying properly in high humidity can totally mess up your whole home project, but you can fix that with some easy hacks. So first off, if the air is super humid, your paint is going to take forever to dry, which is a total pain. You want to try using a dehumidifier in the room where you're painting to suck out that extra moisture. Opening windows and using fans also helps air circulate so the paint dries faster. Picking the right paint is clutch too. Look for fast-drying or water-based paints because they handle humidity way better than oil-based ones. Try painting during the driest part of the day, usually mid-morning or early afternoon, so it's less sticky outside. Keep your layers thin. Thick coats just trap moisture and slow drying even more. Don't forget to check the weather forecast before starting so you're not caught in a surprise rainstorm or super muggy day. If you're painting outside, try to do it when there's a breeze but no direct sun, since sun can cause paint to dry too fast and crack. One of the biggest mistakes people make when dealing with paint drying in high humidity is ignoring the weather conditions and just painting whenever they feel like it. That usually ends up with paint staying tacky for days. Another common issue is using the wrong kind of paint, like going for oil-based paint when water-based would dry way better in humid spots. Lastly, many folks slap on thick coats thinking it'll cover better, but really it just makes drying slower and causes bubbles or peeling later on. To fix these, always check humidity levels before painting. Choose paints labeled as quick dry or water-based for humid environments, and apply thin coats so each layer dries well before adding another. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it helps homeowners connect with trusted local contractors who actually know how to handle tricky projects like painting in humid weather. Plus, it's a great way for contractors to find new clients who need their specific skills without all the hassle.